Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Guru Reviews. Today, we're diving into an epic comparison between two of the best action cameras out there, the DJI Osmo Action 4 and the GoPro HERO11 Black. We'll take a detailed look at each camera and then wrap up with a rundown of their key differences. Let's get started. First up, let's take a closer look at the DJI Osmo. The Osmo Action for sports is sleek, compact design with a rugged build. It's waterproof up to 10 meters without a case and features a handy front-facing screen perfect for vlogging. It feels solid and durable, and the quick switch button is a nice touch for easy mode changes. Under the hood, the Osmo Action 4 is packed with impressive specs, a 1/17 of an inch sensor for K video at up to 1 fps, and DJI's rock-steady stabilization for smooth footage. It also offers a wide range of field of view options and supports HDR video for more dynamic shots. Let's see how it performs. In daylight, the footage is sharp and vibrant. Low light performance is decent, thanks to the larger sensor, and stabilization is top-notch. Audio quality is clear, and the battery lasts around 2 hours of continuous shooting, which is quite impressive. The touchscreen is responsive, and the interface is intuitive. The front screen is a game-changer for vloggers, making framing shots a breeze. Now, let's turn our attention to the GoPro HERO11 Black. The HERO11 Black has the classic GoPro look with a slightly larger rear screen. It's also waterproof up to 10 meters without a case and built to withstand tough conditions. It's a bit heavier than the Osmo Action 4, but feels just as durable and rugged. The HERO11 Black boasts a 1/19 of an inch sensor, 5.3K video at up to 60 fps, and Hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization. It's designed for those who demand the highest video quality. With its higher resolution and advanced stabilization, it stands out for professional quality footage. In terms of performance, the HERO11 Black excels in both daylight and low light conditions, offering incredible detail and color accuracy. The Hypersmooth stabilization keeps your footage buttery smooth, no matter the action. The audio quality is top-notch, with excellent wind noise reduction. However, the battery life is slightly shorter, around 1.5 hours of continuous shooting. Navigating the GoPro's menu is straightforward, and the touchscreen is responsive. The voice control feature is also quite handy. Now that we've gone over each camera individually, let's summarize the key differences. Design and build quality. Both cameras are rugged and waterproof. The Osmo Action 4 is slightly lighter and features a front-facing screen, which is great for bloggers. The GoPro has a larger rear screen and feels a bit more robust. Features and specifications. The Osmo Action 4 offers 4K at 120 fps and excellent stabilization with rocksteady. The HERO11 Black, with its 5.3K at 60 fps and Hypersmooth 4.0, is designed for those who prioritize the highest video quality. Performance and bright light. Both cameras perform exceptionally well. The GoPro's larger sensor gives it an edge in low light, and its stabilization is slightly more advanced. The Osmo Action 4 still delivers impressive performance, especially for its price. Audio quality. The GoPro has a slight edge with better wind noise reduction, but both cameras capture clear audio. Battery life. The Osmo Action 4 lasts around 2 hours, while the GoPro lasts about 1.5 hours. Your actual usage might vary based on settings and conditions. Ease of use. Both cameras are user-friendly, but the Osmo Action 4's dual screens make it a bit more versatile for vloggers. The GoPro's interface is also very intuitive and offers voice control for hands-free operation. In conclusion, both the DJI Osmo Action 4 and the GoPro HERO11 Black are fantastic action cameras. If you prioritize higher resolution and advanced stabilization, the GoPro might be the better choice. However, if you want a more affordable option with dual screens and great battery life, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a solid contender. Which camera do you think is the winner? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.